Hey guys, welcome to my workshop. Today's quick tip is all about screws. When you're just starting out woodworking and you watch a lot of videos, you tend to see a lot of these little black screws and they're super cheap in the store, so you want to say, hey, I'm going to go buy them. These are called drywall screws. Not to insult anybody's intelligence at all, but these are for drywall. Don't use these for woodworking. Now, I'm not saying you can't use them because obviously it will hold two pieces of wood together. Problem is, these are not designed to withstand the weight of wood together. I would never rely on this if you're going to use this for something that you're going to actually maybe stand on. That'd be dangerous. So here's what I advise. Do not use drywall screws in your woodworking. Instead, use Robertson screws or even Torx screws. I use a lot of these Torx screws now in my shop because they're, once again, cheap. You can get them really quickly, and plus I like the fact that they don't slip. You know, these Phillips, sometimes they do slip. Torx screws have a little star tip. They do not slip. And then Robertsons are even better because they were designed for woodworking, and they got a square tip and they do not slip as well. So what I'm going to tell you is raid your workshop, find your drywall screws, put them in a box, and label it drywall materials, all right? Because you don't want to use these for woodworking. You want to get some Torx screws, Robertson screws, and any other wood screw that is available, but not drywall screws. So that's my tip for you today. Hope to see you next time here in the workshop. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.